In today's video, I am going to show you how I designed and made this for my 8-year-old daughter's bedroom. I wanted to show the before of my daughter's bedroom. You guys know over here she has her little desk, vanity area that I kind of made for her. And then here in the middle, we have her bookcase and then her dresser. I am going to, basically all of the books that are in here are books from when she was like little, and she's outgrown them. She's into like the Babysitter's Club and Junie B. Jones and just, you know, like older kid books. And then the bottom 4 cubbies are just kind of filled with like some art supplies, doll things. So we're just gonna move that stuff into like a bin for her closet. And then we're gonna be getting rid of the actual bookcase, and we're going to be adding this really pretty like scalloped trim that's like an arched shape in this area. And then we're gonna add just a couple of little shelves for some of the books that she does have. And then I got this really comfortable like fluffy rug that we're gonna put down, and then we're gonna put her beanbag chair right in front of it so she has like a little reading nook area. I think it's gonna be really cute. I think we're either going to put wallpaper in the middle like of the arch, or we're going to paint it, but I'm gonna be just kind of documenting that process because I think it's gonna turn out really cute. She is super excited about it. But I just wanted to show, her room is actually pretty big. I just wanted to show that this is doable. Like, you don't need like an actual reading nook. Like, we could have done this over here in this corner of her room, but obviously her room is set up this way. So we're gonna do it right in the middle. So just to show you guys that you don't need, you know, a big area for doing something like this. If you have just a small space on the wall, you can make a little reading area. So excited to document the process and show you guys how it turns out. This is how my daughter's little reading area turned out. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cute. So before, as you saw in some of the maybe earlier clips in this video, we just had like a bookcase bookshelf here, and she wanted something different, and so created this little area, which I think is so cute. It just fits her room so well because her room is just so colorful and like bright and happy. I love it in here. So we did obviously the arched wood frame, wallpaper, and then those bookshelves, and then we moved her little beanbag chair right here, and then added the little fluffy purple rug. And so yeah, she loves it. The shelves turned out really cute. I'll have everything linked below, but yeah, she just has her big girl books now that she likes to read. So wanted to do a little update there. And so fun fact, like everything is a learning experience, I swear. So I'm really glad that I did this little wallpaper project. And maybe a little tip for you, if you ever want to do like some sort of a project or a home project, like do it on a smaller scale, because before I did this, I have had the thought for, I don't know, maybe like a year, that I really want to wallpaper or paint our laundry room, because it's just kind of like, I don't know, it's just kind of like dull and boring, and it just needs a little bit of personality, you know? Well, after I did this wallpaper in my daughter's room, you guys, I will never again do wallpaper. It's not for me. I freaking hated it. I don't know if it's different because this is like peel and stick wallpaper. It just it's not for me. I don't know how people have the patience for it or what the trick is. Obviously, I've never done it before, so like, I'm sure it's all just like a learning process, and maybe it'll get better, you know, if I practiced at it more. I'm sure it would, like anything, but like, no, it wasn't worth the hassle. Like, it was not worth the hassle. As cute as it is, I'm like, we could have just painted this like a really cute color or a couple of colors or something. I don't know, just wallpapering is not for me. If you agree, if you've tried wallpaper, let me know. Maybe you have any tips and tricks or something, I don't know, but not for me, but it did turn out very cute. And this is the finished product, the final product. It turned out so cute. I will have everything linked below. Again, to run through everything really quick, the rug was from Amazon. The beanbag chair, also from Amazon. The wooden scalloped arched wood trim piece, whatever it's called, is from an Etsy shop. I will have it linked. I also found the exact same one for about half the price on Amazon. The wallpaper is from Walmart. I will have that linked. And then these adorable mini floating wood shelves are also from Amazon. And then of course her books. So again, this is how it turned out. She is absolutely in love with it. She has a cozy little reading spot, reading nook now for all of her big girl books.